Hey y'all, welcome back to the cabin. Well, it's cold outside, and today we're building a fire and giving away some money. Well, I had promised y'all a video here 4 or 5 days ago. In fact, we need to do one on our contest reveal, the winner. But and I had wanted to do it a little bit earlier, but we've been a little around the weather around here, plus behind on some things. Had a few things come up. In fact, we did a video 2 days ago, and turns out it didn't meet quality standards, so we might get parts of that out and show them later. But we woke up with a cow with pneumonia, and we had to give her a shot and get her going. So, but we've just been kind of slow around here the last few days and under the weather. Getting better though. Kind of having it rough in the morning times and getting better during the day. But we're beating this thing, and we're going to be back full blast here pretty soon, getting everything going. And Jackie's got 3 or 4 videos that she wants to do, and we got coming up as soon as we get everything back under control and going like it's supposed to be going. But we've been kind of slow around here, been a little bit under the weather, but even when things slow down, when you get a problem like that, you still have things that you have to do, and we've been kind of doing the bare minimum. Jackie's still having to milk twice a day. We're having to take care of animals, but we're just getting done what we need to get done. Hope all of y'all are doing fine. We've had some awful cold weather. Just hope y'all are staying in and staying safe and staying well. But we got to do a drawing now for the gift card winner for this month. So we're going to take care of that. All right?